Hello, darling. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, darling?
I'm okay. Oh. Hello. Hi.
From Indonesia.
Welcome to Indonesia.
I'm from Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. Oh,
Hello,
nice.
there from
From
Europe.
Thailand. Oh, namaste. Yeah. All right. Anyway, ladies waiting here for you if you're interested. Anyway, you can hear the echo of the area over here. Only these 2-3 ladies.
You must give me tips. I'm thirsty.
For sure. Buildings for rent. Anyway, very deserted area here. Very dodgy, spooky looking actually, I could say. Hard to say even what to think about that and how to describe, not mention the businesses around. Yo, what's up, world? How you doing? That was a little bit totally different intro than usual. From the center, from the heart of the Padma Utara, North Padma Street, which is just here, entrance next to the Poser Pub and Warung Makan and Padma Hotel, which is over there, Padma Residence. Pretty scary at the same time, pretty sad. I don't even know what to think. That's actually real Legion, I could say. The ladies come back. Actually, there was the Ladyboys, I guess. Anyway, doesn't really matter. That's only for the video purposes. Please don't think anything bad about me. I just, hello, thank you. As you see, massage services come back. Hello, welcome to Bali. Very quiet. Take care. Anyway, I'm walking on the middle of the street of Padma Utara, heading to, what is it called? I'm starting to calling it, what is it called if I'm thinking what to say as Winnie. To the Y bar. Everybody are thinking about the Y bar. Many people actually are interested to show you that area. Even I make a last time video here what got over 100,000 views. Can you imagine that? Well, that's the title, was this Bali Gone Forever, and I was thinking honestly to start making video and title again because this is tragic. Not even bad view, but it's tragic. The only difference is the girls come back. Some girls, but the area over there, as you saw on the heart of the street, was terrible looking. Anyway, Y bar for everyone who are missing the bar. Not much is happening. Actually, everything here is just totally closed, deserted, and empty. Oh, this guy gonna crash into me! Oh, yo, what's up? Alright, just met some lovely guy who watching us every day also. He's living in Medevi in West Bali. French guy. Thank you for saying hi. Anyway, the situation on the Y bar one more time. One more. Yo, what's up? Always good vibes in Legion. However, I'm gonna have a spin right now to end of the. I'm gonna cover full Padma Utara. Yo, and hello. And then I wanna show you how does it look like. Many friendly people, even there is not much happening here, but people are very friendly in Legion. All of the businesses are simply closed in the same stage like before. Well, I could say it's going worse and worse, actually, definitely not better. Worse and worse because every building here what is already closed for 2 years is not improvement, and each month, each year, because it's already year 2 and nearly starting year 3, it's gonna look worse and worse. How does it look here? There was like a street full of life previously. Of course, for everyone who are familiar with Bali, for everyone who are not familiar with Bali, you can imagine as this street was like one of the busiest streets in Bali, or imagine if you have ever been in Thailand, any other streets. It was just simply very busy and full of life everywhere. So many hotels, 4-star hotels here, Swissbell, Amaris Hotel, and this is the center, like a heart of the Padma Utara. At the front they are girls here. Yeah, I just make a video show you. This area is extremely deserted and looks terribly bad. And I make a video what get 100,000 views. I didn't show you exactly the area where I start the video. Well, there was no girls there, but anyway, there you can hear even echo of yourself talking and everything is going into self destruction. The only life here is in this hotel away by Chamakila, well, and the only life here. And this fat Buddha Legion eventually is also open, but after that not much is happening. If you're gonna go straight, there will be Seminyak. This is the one-way road system, obviously. Zest Hotel selling room for only 120k per night, which is like $9 American for staying one night in heart of the tourist attraction, let's say. At least it was tourist attraction long time ago, the heart of the tourism, but it's just the memory. Bluebird drivers waiting for somebody, not sure for who. Well, at least they come back to work. I'm not sure if they handling very well. I used to talk with the taxi drivers long time ago also. If you are familiar, you can watch. This is the Sugar Ray and the hotel. I used to vlog here also with the Australian people. This area is actually quite popular through Australian community. So yeah, long time ago when I make last time video, somebody said as I didn't show this area, I cut the video already before. So here we go. I just wanna quickly show you. Pretty the same like everywhere elsewhere. Everything is closed or almost closed. This is the one-way road system, by the way. If somebody judging me as I'm driving on the wrong side of the street, guys, don't forget this is the traffic on the left. Same like in Australia and UK, especially for people who coming not from these countries. You can make confused. In Thailand is different. And yeah, anyway, that's how does it look like. Not much is happening, but not being sad anymore. However it is, that's how it is. I have to keep pushing videos and being optimistic for you and for the people and for everyone, right? I just stopped in the garlic lane, famous garlic lane, and I just realized that somebody opened a cafe shop here. I will quickly show you a little bit because the music is there. One day I'm gonna have a coffee there when I'm gonna make a special vlog about the garlic lane, the local in garlic lane. Anyway, I will show you more about these areas more. I just realized as many of you like to watching this video, even somebody said this is not really best video, they prefer different, you guys prefer different video, but many people are just like you are familiar with this area and you really love it. So I will make these videos for you. Anyway, nothing has changed, I'm not sad. Thank you for care for the last video from Padma where I was there by the beach. Let me know if you like to my commentatory when I'm driving, or you would like to have more likely raw material or maybe with the music. I don't know what is the music actually behind me, but that's also not good for making videos actually. I hope so you enjoyed. That's how it is, almost 2 years after current situation. And as always, I will see you on next one. See you tomorrow. See ya.